Hello, and I'm back. So sorry for the little pausing. I had to go to the door. Why the dark corridors? Wow. I don't want to go back to the boxes. Gonna look away and look back, and he's gonna be there. Just none of the boxes. Just think, happy thoughts, happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Missile. This way. Let's go to the missile. I want to go to the missile. We just blasted them in whatever it is in the face. And that would be amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the missile. It's gonna be in the room, isn't he? I know he's gonna be in there. Oh, really? I think the flashlight's running out. There it is. My gosh. Oh my gosh. It's just the feeling that he's gonna be there, but you don't know where he's gonna be. Gosh. Wait, that's over there. It's like a train track. Yay! Oh, train track. Don't look at it. And there's the abandoned train. Yay! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I see you guys are watching and just laughing. Maybe so scared. This is scary. How many tapes have I got? I've got like 5, haven't I? Or 3? Sugar. Oh my gosh. I think the first time's always the scariest when you see him. He's gonna be there. How did I know? I don't want to go in really big rooms. He's gonna be behind me, isn't he? Oh no, maybe not. keep flickering? Oh my gosh, I think the torch is really, really dying out. I'm not going to play that without the torch. Without the torch, I'm not. That's just going to be scary as hell. Oh my gosh. I always find in horror games you shouldn't really look around. Just keep on going forward. Just set your mind to go somewhere and go that way. I'm not going in there. Just not going in there. Why have I only seen him once? Why is there like Spike? Imagine missing him. Can I just not see him? Oh, that's that scene again. Have not seen that sign before. Does that mean exit? It probably means like jail. Sugar. Oh my gosh. Don't really like corridors. I'm gonna go back there. I want to see what's down there, but then I don't. But then I do. But then I don't. But then I think curiosity's winning. So yeah, I do. But then I don't. Because it's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me. I don't even know what it's gonna do with me. It's just gonna eat me or something. Please don't kill me. Why is it so empty? I'll flip that upside down. Ah! Whoa. Okay, that was I wish I had a face cam now. Oh my gosh, that would have been that would have been the best face cam in the world. Okay, that's gonna be forever. It's gonna take forever. I think I only saw him about like 3 times. It was like nothing. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and bye bye.